In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Dsum function. Now, I'm going to show you practically. Now, enter this function called Dsum. Now, the first argument is the table, database. And our database in this case is this table. We're going to select it like this. Now, separate with a comma. Then the next argument we have is fill. And our fill is quantity. Now you're going to select this cell, that is quantity fill. The next argument is criteria, and the criteria here is items. We're going to select the item plus the next cell below, then hit enter. Now we want to know how many pens do we have in quantity. Can you click here, then type pen, then it will automatically display the quantity of pen we have in that table. You can still check for the other items, like we have iPad, for example. So we find out we have 25. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more.